What's up, everybody? We're from sunny Spain at 333 Team channel. Now we're locating at San Juan de Alicante. This is one of the favorite areas of Spanish people, of immigrants, of tourists, because it is very good located. And here you can see the construction that is going to finish in this year, 2023. So write us to description and subscribe to our channel to get more information. Let's drive to the beach now of San Juan de Alicante, and you will see how it is nice to live here and to be able to swim in one of the best beach of Spain. So we came to the San Juan beach. This is one of the best Spanish beaches. It is very good located due to this property that we just showed you. So, welcome to Spain. Subscribe to our channel, write to our comments and read the description of this property, because this is one of the best high quality properties at San Juan. Welcome.